Stop by and take a look at the 2021 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power moonroof. Inside you'll find navigation system, Bluetooth, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering,